Are you okay? Do you need help?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sebastian. Who are you?
I'm Joe, and I'm feeling a little dizzy.
Are you sore?
Yes, my knee is sore. Oh, and my head.
Come on, I'll take you to the doctor.
Oh, great. Oh.
Let's love sign. Doctor. Doctor. You sign. Doctor. Good. Doctor.
Hello, doctor. I have a sore knee.
Joe, come on.
Oh.
Hello. What's the matter?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, I fell off my bike and I have a sore knee.
Okay. All right, I'll call the doctor. Sit in the waiting room.
Oh. Oh.
The doctor will see you now.
Hello. Welcome to my office. How can I help you?
Joe fell off his bike and he has a sore knee.
Yes, my knee is sore.
Let's love sign. Sore. Sore. You sign. Sore. Good. Sore.
Can I take a look at your knee?
Yes.
Wait. I have no bandages.
I have bandages for you. Sebastian, will you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, let's get that knee wrapped up. Here we go. Now, oh, nice and tight. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
Hands up. Hello, hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the